Hello everybody, so I'm going to show you new toys that I bought. Okay. Yeah, some of them are fidgets. Okay. So first I got this giant jiggly ball. Yeah. Let me cut them tag out. Yeah, this is yeah, I definitely think this has air in it. Yep, helium. Welcome to the build. Yeah, it's so jiggly, look. Yeah, it's like you can hold on to the rope and just gonna. I'm a rocking ball. Now, if you push it, what happens? You just get an air bubble. Wow. Yeah, jiggly balls. If you look, jiggly balls. If you just go like this, they're bold. Wow, it's bold. You only have a little bit of air. But if you go like this, yes, air. Look at my beard. Oh, I am Santa. Ho, ho, ho. Just kidding, that's not included. I got a tangle. Yeah, boy. Hey, boy. I'm just gonna go like this because it won't open. I'll just cut it because it won't open or something. Aha. Hey, boy. Oh. Hey, boy. Okay, we're gonna put this jiggly ball aside. Now I got this open. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm gonna check what I have on here. How am I gonna open this? Let's see. Got this one. So, yeah, look at this one. I got that one. Look. Yeah, I feel like this is made out of wires, but this is like plastic. Yeah, how am I gonna sort it back? Wow. I think I just made an octopus. It's like break it. Yeah, it's not obviously not broken. It's not broken, yeah. It's connectable. There, you see. Yeah, if it goes like this, you see this, you just connect it up. Yeah, so let's connect there. Yeah, this is like a puzzle game. This is made out of plastic. This kind of feels like there's water in it because it has bubbles. So I'm just gonna test. Come on. Yeah, I definitely think it has water in it. Plus not. Or it might be clear plastic with sprinkles. Not sprinkles. Oh, it's some glitter. I thought glitter was sprinkles and sprinkles was glitter. Gonna attach. It's plastic. Didn't spill on me. Okay, next one. Okay. Genius putty. Yeah, look at this old man. He looks like super weird. Yeah, that man is bald. Someone drew his hair to make him like a scientist. And they had a picture for the glasses. Okay, time to open it. Yeah. Yeah. Open. Open! I'm just gonna use it like a chains. Yeah, this.
Do you want me to help you?
No. I'm just gonna curl it. Just need to curl it like that. Just so we'll open it. Yeah, if you see things like this, yeah, don't buy this. No, just buy this, but you'll need to open it somehow. Perfect. I got into the plastic. How do you get into the plastic now? I definitely think we can open it now. No, we can't.
Can I help you?
No. I just need to open this. Now I can open it. Finally. Was it shut? It's clear. It's clear putty. Oh, it's Professor Martin. I guess. Yeah, help me. Help. Please. Help. Oh, look at this putty. Yeah, I definitely think putty won't stick everywhere. Always you have to take the instructions out. You can color mix it. Oh, that means you can make them twisted thing one. I'm just gonna cut it now. Is that a putty part? That's a putty. That's what putty feels like. Wow. Yeah, I never felt putty in my life. It's a little bit sticky, but it'll just... Yeah, I don't like the ones that melt and they're liquid because they'll just go like spilling everywhere. They'll be like drooling like a dog.
Do you want to help you with that?
No. I know to open it. Go. Open. 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 Yeah, if you just open it like this, you'll just get into the putty. You could just... Now I'm gonna get the putty open. Hey, boy. Yeah, I'm gonna put the clear putty back in the piece because I cut a part and it was putty. Okay, come on. I think I got putty in my nails. Yeah, I already cut my nail. I just gum like that. And now we got the putty. Got this. I need help. Close. Yeah, keep it into a can or plastic box if you're putty. Because you get stick onto the carpet. Nah, plus. So play with it in a bottle or something. Let's play with my jiggly balls. To wait. We still have more. Yeah, these were very cheap. Very cheap. Yeah, I definitely think this was £2. £2. We got some that are £1. Yeah, only one that is £1. So this was £7. No, this wasn't £7. This was £5. £5. And the others I'll tell you the other price. Watermelon sugar, watermelon sugar, slap my face, Whoa, look. You're gonna test what you can do with it. Gonna see what you can do. Oh, clear genius putty. You can bounce it. I'm gonna try. Wow, you can really bounce it. This is genius putty. Where did it go? Please, it's on the carpet and don't collect germs on it. Okay, I'm gonna see what else you can do with it. Web it. Oh. Yeah, you can stretch it. This is not very good at web it. You can shape it. Oh. You can shape it. Look, it will just stay like that forever. Yeah, look, it's not pretty strong. Oh, come on. Yeah, look, if you test, it's not pretty strong. It just breaks easily. But that's fine. That's what putty does. It says tear it into 2 pieces quickly. You can twist them. I think you have to roll it first. I'll just clear out the space. I do. Roll. Then twist it. Oh yeah, boy. Look. Wow. Yeah, it can get very long. This is stretch and string it. Look. Oh! It's so bouncy. It's genius, Putty. Why not try to bounce it? Try to bounce it. Yeah, you can make it into a ball. I'll play with my homemade fidgets. Yeah, boy. Yeah, pee-poppers. Yeah, you might find... It's a rock. No. I'll shape it into a ball somehow. So you just need to go like round, round, like this circle right here. Oh, Grumpy. Yeah, Grumpy. Oh. I wasn't expecting that. This is basketball. Yeah, basketball players should play with this. It's like basketball. And then you have this. This score! And then you get to play with it.
Look, you dropped some.
Oh. Yeah, Putty's not really that strong. I'm going to make it into an ice cube. What are you going to do? Oh, yeah, it's pretty strong. Yeah, my mom's playing with it. Okay. Come on, get in there. Now let's see what's the shape. Strength. Muscle man. I'm going to make my beard out of it. I had a beard before. Yeah, this is what my beard looked like. It smells so bad. Yeah, just kidding. I was faking about the beard. I didn't have a beard. I'm too young to have a beard. It's too sticky. Still in my hands. Dun-dun-dun. Okay, next part. We'll put this aside. And this aside. Ah! Ouch. Oh! Okay, this is a reverse a plush. It's an octopus. Yeah, boy. Yeah, it's not the same than yours. Because it's different. Just need to turn it around. I push him on the head because I squeeze him and I don't want to eat him. That's why. I squeeze because I want to eat him. I squeeze and he's happy. Watermelon sugar. Ah. Watermelon sugar. Ah. Oh. 'Cause in the stars tonight. Yeah. It's a bit like he's like happy and he's singing. Well, yeah, now he has ink in there. Now, Chloe. Yeah, you might have heard of the game Chloe. It's a bit like Chloe. This is Chloe. Yeah, you know that little dude person that's blue in the game Chloe? This is him. Chloe versus Happy Octopus. Chloe defeated. Yeah, of course that is not Chloe. Not Chloe. He doesn't have his face because he's a toy. I didn't get this from Chloe, of course. And I think I got one more or two more. Okay, I got one more and it's ended. It is Aliens Bean Squeeze Ball. The invasion begins. Oh, I'm gonna let an alien get into my house. Ah! What? Why is it? It's so sticky. I'm gonna check if it can go up. Oh, come on. It went on. No, no, please, no. No! Shh, up it goes. Oh, come on.
Once.
Okay. So this has water in it. Yeah, I hope it doesn't have water. Yes, phew-wee, it doesn't have water. It's just bubbles. Come on, alien brain. How do you even use this? Yeah, there's no way how you're gonna use this. Yeah, I think we bought this and then it doesn't even light up. It's because when nothing happens. Sunnies, I got the squishy ball. Yeah, boy. Yeah, look at his face. Where's his mouth? There's his mouth. He's eating my finger. Ah! Ah! Yeah, I thought inside was a bouncy ball and you have to cut him open and then you got a bouncy ball. I thought I got a clear one. But wow. Yeah, you always put these on squishies because they glue it and then it's plugged in. Look, I'm getting the gooeys out. Look, I'm getting the gooeys out. That's not their guts, please. It's big, clawy, squishy versus alien. Yeah, the alien has more power because, you know, they got the alien ship and more aliens. So Chloe is defeated. Okay, let's see. Who's next battler? This thing versus Chloe. Okay. Yeah, this light is so cool. It's because it can stick to the camera. Yeah, just stack on there because why is it so squishy then? And sticky. So cool. I thought I said succulent. Yeah, wash this first because it's sticky. It's not sticky, it says. Oh, I know. Squish them and then throw them. It said squish them and then throw them. It said that on the menu thing, whatever. Chloe is gonna get captured by the tangle. Where's my tangle? Where? You might hear of this in the next video. I want yank this away. Okay. Wow. Yeah, this has air in it. Yeah, boy. Because look, if you see, air is clear, you know. If you squish this, it's air. If whoever made this, hope it's not water. And you pop it on your belly. It's water, not air. Yeah. Never make holes in these. I'll just be like, okay, don't go like this and get a pin. And then remove it. You have to glue there. And then... This is gross. Wow. And you might hear this in the next video. Yeah, we already have the video of it. With a Buzz Lightyear thing. Look. 1 versus... Oh, come on. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. Okay. 2 and 2. Okay. One. Loads. Not loads, just me. And loads. Ouch. My face. Professor Marty's putty versus them Chloe, I guess. You wait. I got an idea. Open! Open sesame. Please. Yes, open sesame work. Oh. Yeah, make sure you got a metal can or something to stick the putty in. Yeah, this is liquid putty. Look, if you leave it. You're a genius, Professor. Yeah, when you slowly watch, it's like melting. Yeah, it stopped melting. That's all we have for today, and see you in our next channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like.